In a sunlit kitchen, a clever beagle discovers the fridge light and performs a dramatic sniff and standoff. A curious cat tries to borrow a pillow from the sleeping owner and ends up rearranging the cushion empire. At the garden fence, a bashful turtle rides a leafy toy boat while a parrot narrates the heroic chaos. A small dog learns to use a broom and opens a pretend laundry store selling squeaky socks. When rain arrives, a flock of chickens forms an umbrella line, turning the yard into a cheerful bus stop.